Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at (1040-145th Place Southeast, Bellevue, Washington). Date is Wednesday, July 24th, 2019. We're taking this video after jetting, so we just jetted the line out. I'll show you the new shiny clean line. So we had a large root here at the plastic to concrete transition. A little pipe separation down at the bottom there. Then we take a hard right hand turn. That's a little loose root we cut out. And as we cruise down, there's a giant root there. That was the one that the city guy couldn't get his camera past. Cut that guy out. All wide open concrete pipe. Pretty aggregate and rough from years of usage, but intact still. We're down in the city line now, or the city responsibility now. We're 100 feet out. About 120 feet on this camera. Right about there. So the line is wide open again. Back in business. I'm going to end the recording there.